These very cute-looking mammals are usually seen scurrying at high speed across a road or garden, or sitting straight up on their hind legs reviewing their next move. Essentially shy animals, originally from India, these animals have killed all snakes that existed on the island. The only snake you will find is on some of the islands of the North Sound, the Antiguan racer snake, which we'll be talking about later on in the video. With mongoose, if confronted, do not attempt to catch one, they have a nasty bite if cornered. This is a sparrow-like bird that is almost black with a rufous breast. In Antigua, this bird is known as the red breast or robin. They feed on seeds, breaking the shells with a strong beak. 2 or 3 spotted eggs are laid in an untidy globular nest with a side entrance built in a tree or large bush. This is the commonest hummingbird of the islands. The larger green-throated hummingbird has no crest. In Antigua, the name Dr. Brushy is given. Because of their size, hummingbirds have the highest rate of metabolism, burning of food, of a warm-blooded vertebrate in the world. As a result, they have to feed nearly all day long. They have long curved beaks with which they probe into flowers for nectar and fertilizing the flower at the same time. Besides flower nectar, hummingbirds feed on insects, mainly from the plants they visit. The best place to watch hummingbirds is on a flowering dagger tree. The female builds a small nest that is lined with cobwebs or some other fluff. 2 very small white eggs are laid. These smallest of birds can live up to at least 10 years, if a picture window does not get in their way. The Caribbean coot is a large water bird of the family Rallidae, which is a resident breeder in the Caribbean and parts of Venezuela. The Caribbean coot has sometimes been treated as a subspecies of the latter species. This 20-inch uncommon resident, the West Indian whistling duck, is a long-necked brown duck with a dark streak from the top of the head down the neck. It is found in mangroves and near ponds, perching high in trees. A famous locality is on Guana Island off the northeastern shore of Antigua. These large graceful seabirds, with forked tail and angular wings, widespread in the tropics, may be seen soaring effortlessly against the blue of the tropic sky. It is indeed a magnificent bird, as its scientific name suggests. Barbuda boasts the largest frigate breeding and nesting colony in the world. It is a tourist attraction, for the birds do not appear to mind visitors and allow close-up photography. Males are glossy black, and when courting they display a bright red pouch. Females are larger, with the sides and breast white. In Antigua and Barbuda, they are known as weather birds, as on the approach of a storm they may be seen circling inland. The Antiguan racer is a harmless rear-fanged gray-brown snake that was until recently found only on Great Bird Island off the coast of Antigua, in the eastern Caribbean. It is among the rarest snakes in the world. However, in the last 20 years, conservation efforts have boosted numbers from an estimated 50 to over 1,100 individuals by eradicating non-native predators and reintroducing the snake to other Antiguan islands in its original range. In addition to Great Bird Island, the Antiguan racer has successfully recolonized the nearby Rabbit Island, Green Island, and York Island. These are the smallest organisms with the longest of names. They are responsible for the chirping sounds heard at night, and become very noisy after a shower of rain. The early Indians, the Arawaks, carved beautiful pendants in their likeness, in the hope that rain would fall to nourish their crops. The frog was considered a benevolent spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell to be alerted for more new videos.